Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Hope you got a strong cup of coffee to carry you in through the weekend. It's been a busy week for us, so I'm sorry that I didn't do What Is It Wednesday this week. I just could not find the time to make a video or to even just come up with what plant that I wanted to pick. So I apologize for that. But today is Fun Fact Friday, and I want to share some fun facts with you about lemongrass. So let me turn this thing around. So I planted lemongrass on the both sides of the front walkway going up to my front door because at the time I thought, oh, well, this will be a good kind of border plant because it's going to smell really good. And everybody says that lemongrass, and along with a few other plants, are really good at repelling mosquitoes and other bugs. So naively, I planted these here and just wanted to see or just let them work, And really, lemongrass, just by being a plant and existing, is not doing anything for the bugs. And I found that after the fact. So now it's just a cool looking, easy to grow kind of border plant that goes along here. Now the leaves of lemongrass contain citronella, which I'm sure that you guys have heard because of citronella candles. But it does not release that fragrance in the citronella oil until the leaves are cut or broken. So as the plant just sits here and exists, it's not doing anything to repel mosquitoes or other bugs. If you were to come and trim it back real heavily, then you're going to have some of that release of the smell, which in theory would repel the bugs. I haven't seen a difference. In fact, I actually would rather use this as a smell good plant for people who are coming over to my house. So if I'm going to have a gathering or a little party or something, I'll come and trim this citronella back pretty far, and then kind of leave the clippings underneath it or somewhere else. And so as people walk up to my front door, they get to walk by the really nice lemony scent of the lemongrass. So that's kind of how I've been using it. So if you're looking for ways to try and repel mosquitoes, whether it be on your porch or around your house or whatever, the lemongrass and things like citronella, the plant itself, they're not going to do it just by existing. The plant material has to be broken. It has to be harvested if you're not just going to let it sit on the ground, in order for it to have any effect, if at all. So don't be like me, naively gardening things. Hopefully these fun facts will help you in making decisions on the best plant at the right place, the right time, the right location. So happy Friday, everybody. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I really enjoyed the rain last night for the serene forest over here. And we'll see you guys on Monday.